Okay, you guys, I just wanted to take a quick second to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by none other than ya girl. I have hoodies available. If you want to check them out, I will leave the link in the description box below and also via my link tree in my Facebook and Instagram bios. If you want to help support your girl and her channel, then make sure you go check those out. I will also leave a link to my reveal video in the description box below in case you want to learn more about them.
I'm back! Hey you guys, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click that bell icon to make sure you have your notifications set to on. Yes! Make sure you have your notifications set to on so you can get notified when I upload a new video. If this is not your first time here and you've watched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos, could you just please subscribe? I'm doing giveaways at 500 and 1,000 subscribers so far, so we'll see how that goes. I'd really like to give away some nice stuff for you guys. So yeah, go ahead and make sure you subscribe. So today's video, I am going to be doing a Black Friday holiday anti-haul of stuff that I'm not going to buy, and this is definitely going to be included in that anti-haul. I felt like this really deserved its own dedicated video because nobody's talking about it. Like, there's so many things that people want to complain over, but I have literally not heard this out of one person's mouth. So today we're going to be talking about the Jaclyn Hill new highlighters. Okay, and so she came out with some loose highlighters that did look nice. They impressed some people, they didn't impress others. I mean, I thought that they looked nice. It's not going to be something that I'm going to buy because I have 5 drawers of highlighters and I don't feel like I need any more highlighters. So you really gotta like wow me to like get me to buy your highlighter. So I'm not gonna buy those loose highlighters. In fact, I'm not gonna buy any of the highlighter collection. If you want to look up some other complaints about the highlighters, there's plenty of videos on YouTube for you to do so. There are people who are complaining about the mica that is used in her loose highlighters. I believe it's only in the loose highlighters, and how she can't prove if it's ethically sourced or not. So that is one complaint that people have had, but there are plenty and plenty of videos on that. So if you want to learn more about that, you can certainly go look one up. Today, what I'm going to be talking about are her 2 highlighter palettes. Now, I will insert a picture right here so you can see if you don't know. She did come out with 2 highlighter palettes. They have 4 highlighters in them each, and one is more of a light toned, and then the other one is more dark toned. So I just don't understand. Like, the first thing I thought about when I looked at this, I was like, this looks just like the Huda 3D highlighter palette. Like, exactly like it. Like, especially if you look, this is, it doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure when Huda made these 3D highlighter palettes, there were 3 different shades. Okay, so there were 3 different palettes with 3 different like shade combos. And it went from like light, medium, and dark. I happened to get a dark, I think I got the darkest highlighter palette you can get. And I know you're going to look at me and be like, why? I'm normally really tan. I have not been out in the sun a lot. I mean, I've just been indoors. But normally, I do get a tan very quickly, and I keep my tan for a long, long time. So I like highlighters that are going to pop on my darker skin. I mean, of course, I have all kinds of shades of stuff. Okay, like, we're not going there. Like, my shade ranges. Okay, a lot. Like, I ain't trying to appropriate nobody. I'm not trying to be darker than I actually am. Like, your girl actually gets tan, okay? And I actually get tan. So, I like dark highlighters. I like light highlighters. I experiment with a range of shades. We're going to show it to you real quick. But when I got this, I ordered it from Sephora, and plenty of people have told me that I can take it back and ask for another one. But I've already used it. I've had it for like a year. So, I mean, I'm not about to do that. But my palette actually came broken, so I haven't fixed it either. So if you can see that, I will throw up a picture of her highlighter palette that is in the more medium to dark toned range. It looks exactly like this. Like, I don't understand why nobody's talking about it. They literally look exactly the same. I'm not into ripoffs. Like, I don't buy any Huda beauty products because she wanted to rip off Beauty Bakery. Like, I don't like that. You know, be original, come up with your own shit, your own concept. So no, I don't buy Huda Beauty. I don't I don't have her concealer. I don't have any of her eyeshadow palettes. This is literally the only thing I had because I was like, ooh, I like highlighters and I really like this. So this is the only thing of hers that I own, and I don't plan to purchase more. But the first thing I thought when I saw this Jaclyn highlighter palette was like, that looks exactly like my Huda palette. Like, why does nobody say this looks exactly like Huda's 3D highlighter palette? Like, come on, you guys, be on your job. Like, you guys are beauty gurus, drama channels. Like, can you report on this? Can you report on this? Can we talk about how the Jeffree Star eyeshadow says it's not for your eyes? Like, I'm sure I know why that is, and I'm sure it's because the pigment causes staining around your eyes, but still, why does nobody talk about how there is a disclaimer on the eyeshadow palette? I mean, and then you don't want to talk about how Jaclyn's highlighter palette looks just like the Huda highlighter palette. Like, come on, y'all. Anyway, so I just wanted to get on here and do a quick rant for real and let you guys know, I mean, if you're interested in buying the Jaclyn highlighter palette, good for you. It's like made in Italy or something like that, so that's really nice, and it should be really good. It's come from a good manufacturer, not the person who did her lipsticks. So if you want to buy one, sure, go ahead. But I mean, if you already have one of these, I don't see any reason to go out and buy her stuff. No shade to Jaclyn. Like, I mean, great job. I know how hard it is to produce something, not only produce, but to create and produce something. So kudos to you, but I'm not about to go out and buy it, and I don't recommend other people go out and buy it, but that's just me. If you want it, good for you. But that's really all for today's video. I had seen nobody talk about this, and I wanted to say something about it, and that's what I'm gonna bring you on this channel. I'm gonna bring you stuff that I wanna see. So, that's it for today's video. Maybe I'll upload another little rant today, but we'll see. But really, until then, subscribe so you can be entered into the giveaway. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Later.